This is the Type R, Honda's performance version of the best-selling car in the country. All the hot-hatched turbocharged VTEC performance that makes it a true thoroughbred to drive. All of this is wrapped up in extreme head-turning style. Here are just a few of the highlights. 2-liter 16-valve VTEC turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. 6-speed manual transmission with rev-matching control. Gloss black 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Brembo 4-piston aluminum front brake calipers. Triple center exhaust with chrome finisher. Textured aluminum pedals. Wireless charging. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And the Honda Sensing suite of safety features. There's no mistaking the Civic Type R's great looks with its low aggressive stance, chiseled features like these functional side vents, lightweight hood with air intake, rear fender flares, and of course, every Civic Type R comes stock with exclusive red Honda badging. We of course can't forget every tuner's favorite red Brembo brake calipers that peer out from behind these distinctive 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with red accents. The iconic rear wing spoiler gives the Type R its unmistakable silhouette while creating maximum downforce. At the heart of this Type R is an efficient and powerful 2-liter turbocharged VTEC engine, producing a whopping 306 horsepower and a massive 295 pounds-per-foot of torque. The Sport-Tune suspension, chassis, and braking system translates into an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. There's a 6-speed close-ratio manual gearbox with short throws for those lightning-fast gear changes. The Type R also features rev matching, which, as the name suggests, matches the revs on the downshift so everybody can drive more like a pro. And stopping the Type R is Honda's newly developed 2-piece brake rotors, which when coupled with the updated 4-piston Brembo calipers and brake pads are designed to reduce thermal distortion and increase stopping power at higher speeds. The Civic Type R comes standard with the Honda Sensing suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, collision mitigation braking system, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, road departure mitigation, and lane keeping assist. The Type R's imposing style continues to the rear with aggressive design accents. You can't miss the bold rear wing that creates necessary downforce that helps with grip, acceleration, and cornering. Up here are these functional vortex generators that direct the airflow over the roof to the main wing that aids in reducing drag. And under the bumper is the Type R's sporty triple-stack center exhaust. Opening the hatch, we are met with plenty of cargo space that can easily be increased by folding down the 60/40 split rear seats. Inside the cockpit, the Type R features race-inspired lightweight bucket seats that help hold you in place through those tight corners and are set up for a 4-point harness system. There's added refinement with a suede-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum shift knob, and sport pedals. To truly enjoy your Type R on the track, the digital meter can display boost pressure, G-force, lap times, rev limit, and throttle and brake input all in real time. For the true enthusiast, this exclusive Type R serial number plate shows you your Type R is one of a kind. The 7-inch display audio system with Honda Link and navigation is a breeze to use. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make it easy to listen to your favorite tunes through the 542-watt sound system with 12 speakers. With USB connectivity, wireless charging, Bluetooth, and hands-free voice recognition, staying connected while on the move is easier than ever. For even more control, customize your driving experience with 3 distinct driving modes: Comfort, Sport, and Plus R. Comfort is for everyday driving. Sport mode adjusts throttle response, steering settings, and sets the dampers to firm for cornering. And then there's Plus R. Save that one for the track. Even though the Type R is rooted in racing history, corner carving thrills, and legendary performance, it still has 4 doors, making this reliable hot hatch the obvious choice for drivers who want a car that is practical yet exhilarating to drive.